What don't the red pill and the church want you to know about dating? Is the red pill dating strategy compatible with Christianity? Can the red pill dating strategy align with Christian values? Let's explore this topic.
Welcome to You've Got This, the channel that explores interesting topics and challenges you to become the best version of yourself. We're excited to dive into another thought-provoking topic and invite you to join us on this journey. Our ideas for videos come from you, the viewers, so we encourage you to give feedback on the videos and make suggestions for new ones in the comments below. Let's get started.
The rational male argues that men should prioritize their own needs and desires over those of women. The Bible teaches us to love others sacrificially and to put their needs before our own. Jordan Peterson argues that men should be assertive and take charge in their relationships. Husbands should love their wives sacrificially, putting their needs before their own. Dale Carnegie teaches that the key to success in relationships is to show genuine interest in the other person. This aligns with the Christian value of serving others and putting their needs before our own. Rollo Tomasi argues that men should adopt a dread game strategy to keep their partners interested. However, the Bible teaches us to love others unconditionally, without using fear or manipulation to control them. Instead of using manipulative tactics to win affection, the Bible teaches us to serve others in love. By approaching others with respect, kindness, and a desire to serve them in love, you can honor God and live out your faith. Love is patient, kind, and focused on the well-being of others. Ultimately, the key to building healthy relationships is to approach others with respect, kindness, and a desire to serve. The compatibility of the red pill philosophy with Christianity will depend on how it is practiced. Self-improvement should be pursued in the context of loving and serving others. Individualism and personal autonomy can lead to a focus on self-centered goals rather than the well-being of others. Treating women as objects or using manipulative tactics is contrary to Christian values. Whether you're pursuing self-improvement or seeking to build healthy relationships, remember to honor God and live out your faith. Use the values of your faith to guide your actions and decisions, and approach others with the love and compassion of Christ. In doing so, you can build strong, healthy relationships that honor God and bring joy to your life.
Friends, we are not finished yet, but would love to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. If you are enjoying this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content.
So, is the red pill dating strategy compatible with Christianity? It depends on how it is practiced and whether it aligns with Christian values. Self-improvement is a worthwhile goal, but it should always be pursued in the context of loving and serving others. Instead of focusing on individualism and personal autonomy, strive to love and serve others in everything you do. By doing so, you can build strong, healthy relationships that honor God and bring joy to your life. Remember to approach others with respect, kindness, and a desire to serve, and use the values of your faith to guide your actions and decisions. Love unconditionally, without using fear or manipulation to control others. Serve others in love, using your freedom to make a positive impact in the world. Husbands should love their wives sacrificially, putting their needs before their own. By approaching relationships with respect, kindness, and a desire to serve, you can build strong, healthy connections with others. Always honor God and live out the values of your faith, even as you pursue personal growth and development. Ultimately, building healthy relationships is about approaching others with love and compassion, just as Christ did. Whether you're pursuing self-improvement or seeking to build strong relationships, always remember to love and serve others. By doing so, you can honor God and build a life filled with joy, love, and meaningful connections.
Thank you for watching our video on the compatibility of the red pill dating strategy with Christianity. We hope that this video has sparked some thought-provoking conversations and provided some insight into this controversial topic. We would love to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content and watch another video. We are trying to get to our first 100 subscribers and followers in May, and could use your help. Remember, at You've Got This, we're here to challenge and inspire you to become the best version of yourself, but you can challenge us as well, so keep those suggestions coming, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.